Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Luck Insider. How to make 1,159 in 2 hours. That's what we're going to talk about. Also, I'm going to tell you 3 crypto stocks that I have been trading last week. If this is your first time to Rich Luck Insider, we talk about stock investing, real estate investing. So if you want to make more money and succeed in life, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you do not miss any of our videos. And also at the end of the video, I'm gonna give you 3 free stocks that already both in the description and comment. Today's topic: what have I been busy with, and 3 stocks that I have been trading last week, and 2 stocks that at least triple in 3 days. That's what we are going to talk about. So guess stock number 3. What stock is it? Tesla. No, not really. Even though I mentioned on November 23rd that Tesla gonna be $900. So basically it's now 880. The all-time high is 884. So it's only $16 away from $900. Can somebody learn Tesla $16, please? Yeah, so it's basically 79.73% increase from the last video that I talked about, so which is 489.61. So I'm really happy that my price target is coming to fruition and it's becoming a reality. And this is a stock that we're going to talk about today, eBond. eBay International Holdings on December 31st. Basically, I saw this stock and I sent out an alert to my Patreon members on a different channel. So, and what happened was it jumped to 7.88 the next day on January 4th. So later on, the highest price became 8.36 US dollars. So it's a big jump. So I sent out this alert on December 31st, 11:52 a.m. So I did some trade, really quick. So it's probably about a few minutes getting in and getting out, but it took me about an hour for this trading eBond, doing the research and stuff like that. So it's less than an hour. So I made about $260, and I also sent an alert to my Patreon member. I saw this stock was up in the mornings because of the news. I entered the trade at 6:09 and called at 6:45 in about an hour. And the next day on January 4th, it went up to $8 in the pre-market. So that's a big jump. And I also bought as well, it's a New Year Eve, December 31st. I bought it that I sold it on pre-market at $7.92 back. It was a rush because of New Year Eve. So if I had not rushed and there wasn't any error, I would have made 2,180 instead of 542 for about an hour of my time. So don't make a mistake like that. Make sure you enter the trade. I was supposed to enter 1,000 share, but I just did 100 shares. And so it jumped the next day. And why did it jump? It's because eBay International Holdings to launch cryptocurrency exchange in the first quarter of 2021. So right now cryptocurrency is really hot because of Bitcoin price rises really high. So that's the reason why this stock has been going crazy. And guess the stock number 2 is NCTY stock. NCTY stock. When I send out an alert on the group, it's only $6.60. Then it jumped to on January 16 to 14.89. It's just double. Look at this one, January 4, sent out an alert on $6.62. Then I bought it. This stock. So I sent out an alert to the Patreon member on a different channel. So I'm just starting a new Patreon group for this channel as well. So I'm going to put the link down below. If you're interested in joining the trading Patreon to get the stock alerts, when I trade or start to watch. So the link is going to be below in the description. And it jumped because of another cryptocurrency. Agreement investment term sheet with cryptocurrency mining investor led by Jianping Kong to start the cryptocurrency business. So on January 6th, it tripled from $6.60 to 18.80, and after hours as well. So I bought it again because it's called Supernova. Then I also sent out a notice to my group, Patreon group, but hey, it may even more jump after hours, but you are free to take profits. Taking profits better than tomorrow, if you're afraid of losing. So it went up to quadruple the price, $6 to more than $24. So that's crazy on January 4th after just 3 days. So these are the profit that I made. So for Evo trade, I made about 541. I bought it when the news came out in the morning. Then I sold it in about 10 minutes or so, 6:45. Then I bought it again for 609 and I sold it for 7.92 the next day. So basically, bought it and the next day. So this took me about 30 minutes of my time. And NCTY as well, I bought it 636 and then after that it dipped a little bit, so I sold it at 635 and 648. Then I bought it again 15.43 and sold it at $18.8. Then on January 7th, I bought it at 22.7 just before the trading halt happened. Then I sold it at 26.15. So in total, I made about 617 for NCTY. I could have made more, but I'm really conservative trader, and my success rate is more than the loss rate. So I'm happy with that. I literally spent only about 2 hours of my time for 1,159. I made it. That's what I made. So I have a busy day, so I usually prefer to get out of the trade really quick. Then I get on with my busy day as usual. So guess stock number one. What's the stock number one? It's BTBT. So I sent out this alert to my Patreon member on December 29, so which was only about $10.49. And after that, it tripled. January 4th became $31.30. That's crazy. That's crazy. So what I will do, I will keep that in my watch list. And I believe that NTCY, BDBD, and EBO are speculative stocks, and also they are cryptocurrency stock as well. So it's been the trend for 2021 January. It's gonna be cryptocurrency. It's really hard, and people have been buying the crypto stock. But you need to know what stock to buy. Not every crypto stock gonna jump, and so keep these in your watch list, and they could have some momentum again. And anyway, but all investment have risk. So even if you just keep the cash, your cash gonna lose value in the bank. So you can make a lot of money or lose all your money. Invest only what you can afford to lose. This video is only for information and entertainment only. Not investment advice to buy or sell any stock. Do your own independent research before buying or selling any securities. Anyway, so if you got any value from this video, so make sure you subscribe this video, keep that on your watch list. When there's a momentum again, you can think about trading them again. I hope you make money. I sincerely do. And so these are the two stock alerts that I sent off that triple in 3 days. One of them is quadruple in 3 days as well. So useful links gonna be for you in the description if you want to join Stock Membership Club, my Patreon membership club or education courses. There will be free audiobooks in the link below as well. If you want to get free stocks, use the link below. So I'm gonna give you 3 or 4 brokerage firms. Some of the brokers don't have some of the stocks. So if you are using Robinhood, some of the stocks that I mentioned may not be on the Robinhood. So it's better to open an account at every single brokers as possible so that you can trade stocks. So I'm gonna put the link below that there is a promotion. If you deposit 5,000, you're gonna get 100 at E-Trade. The link, if you use the link, you're gonna get a bonus as well. So if you are thinking about becoming a realtor, the real estate licensing cost is below as well, and the best credit cards in my opinion is below. So if you are paying more than $15 a month for your cell phone plan, you're paying too much. I only pay $15 a month. Unlimited talking, testing, and data, and free travel credit is are below as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can leave the comment below, and also you can reach out to me on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe, share, let me know where you're watching from, your city, state, and country, and which videos would you like me to make. Subscribe YouTube, like CFast Facebook, and follow Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.